Every student in West Virginia schools has access to the tools located at office.com. So simply go to office.com using any computer, any device, any browser, and log in with your @stu.k12 email address. We're going to be talking about a tool called Microsoft OneNote, which is a fantastic note-taking tool. Keep all of your notes from all of your classes for the entire school year in one spot. So you can also use your app for this. Simply go to your app store, download the OneNote app, and log in the same way. So let's take a look at my new school year. I'm going to use the browser method, so I use any browser on any computer and go to office.com, click my waffle, and today we're talking about a tool called OneNote. Once you open OneNote, you can start a brand new notebook. You can have as many as you want, and I've called this the new school year. All I have is sections for each one of my classes. I'm taking math, social studies, chemistry, and literature. Inside of literature, I've added pages, so I have notes from Monday, notes from Tuesday, and let's get ready to add some lecture notes from Wednesday. You can go into the white area and click your mouse and type anywhere on this page. It's a great scratch pad for taking notes. But look what else you can do. You can go to the Insert menu and do math with this. This has a built-in graphing calculator and solver, so it will solve for X. Under the home screen, I can use Dictate and just speak my notes into the notebook. Everything is searchable, everything is shareable. I can even go to the insert and insert audio or pictures or anything else. So think of it as a magic notebook. And there you go. You can now take notes on anything for any class.